Today I'm here with dates cake recipe which is really delicious and really super soft. So let's see how it's prepared. We need half a cup of hot water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix it. Add 3/4 cups of dates which is unseeded. You have to soak it for 2 hours. This will make dates super soft. In a bowl, add 100 grams of unsalted butter. Add half cup of sugar. It is powdered after measuring the half cup sugar. Beat it until creamy and it turns color to light. You can see the mixture is now creamy and it's changed its color to light. Now add 2 eggs to the mixture. Beat well until fluffy. Now add soft dates along with its water. Just beat it. Now the dates have become already super soft, so it will become mashy like this. In another bowl we have to sift flour. So add 1 cup of flour. And half teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And just sift the flour. Now add half of the sifted flour mixture to cake batter. And fold it well. Add remaining mix moisture and formed really well. Finally add 1/4 cup of milk. Then again fold it. In a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now pour the cake batter into it. Just level it. Close the lid and just cook it. So a tasty and really super soft dates cake is ready to serve. It's really tasty and delicious. So please try this. And if you like it, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to comment. If you're watching my channel for first time, please subscribe.